Oh, the birds. We're inspecting at the bird island. Look how many birds there are. Look how many. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, there. Is there one hiding? Is there one hiding? There. Oh my god. What are those? Whoa. Cool. Look at that. Oh my god, a peacock. Look. Look. Closer. Closer. So many animals. Look at there's one right in front of you. There. There's 5. Let's see some other ones. Wait, another one? 2 peacocks. Oh, they're blocking my way. I think there's a trap. They're blocking! They're blocking our way. We need to get over there. Oh, wait. Come on. Answer us. You go front. You go follow them. No. There. Peacock. Peacock. Oh my god. Look at that beautiful thing. Wildlife. Oh, let's see some other animals. Oh, yeah, we know. And there's one right there. Oh, let's go. What? 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 Oh, there. There. Wait. Don't think I can see it. There. Did you get that? Get that? Oh my god. Oh my god, that just flew here. That one just flew. Oh my god. They're flying everywhere. I need to get away. Woo. Run. Go. Quickly. Oh, there's one. Hey, there's one. Pigeon. Oh, peacock. Not a giant one. Whoa, crows. Crows up there. Crows up there. Whoa. What's in there? Look at this.
Guys, why does it say you can call? Why does it say Oh my god, you can enter.
Come on.
Mama, you can enter it.
We don't want to. Peacock. Oh, this is bright, guys. This is bright.
Yeah. I see. So cute. I think you know what this one reminds me. It reminds me like blue cheese, huh?
Wow. There's so many of them. And more. Wait. Oh. Well, there we go. See it? Yeah. Another peacock. So we found lots of
Yeah, they have big mosquitoes.
Yeah, and there's so many here. Wait, do you see those? Let me show it. There. Oh god, that's so cool.
Now we
Let's
rest
go.
here first.
Going up. Going up. Going up. Going up. So I think people, we're gonna have to go in there.
Go inside.
Yeah, goodbye
Guys,
everyone.
close the door so they don't come out. Okay. Stay.
Here we go, guys. There's one right there. Chicken.
This is 10.
They're all pretty cute.
Where's the fish or the koi fish? There the chicken fish. Owen, your ducks are here. Your little ducky guys.
Did you make that sound?
Yeah.
Oh. But I just copied you.
Look at your head. There's a crown on top. Yeah, there's one.
Oh my god, there's fish!
Oh, so cute!
Come on, get fish!
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Ah, a rooster! A giraffe?
Coming for us. So many people! So many people! He used to escape!
Red tomato. Okay, hold.
Escape!
I zoomed into the end too much. Are we gonna go down?
No.
Macam mana kita nak kena idea penyambut?
Wow.
Oh, is it?
Wow. So many. That was hard because there was so